Imagine this. For just 24 hours, your entire energy is in alignment. No doubts, no resistance, no negativity pulling you back. Just pure flow, heart, mind, and energy vibrating with your desires. What if I told you that one day like this could shift your entire reality? That's exactly what we're exploring. The 24-hour manifestation challenge. What happens when you do it right? Before you think, can one day really change my life? Yes, it absolutely can. Because manifestation isn't about time, it's about alignment. It's about how deeply you vibrate at the frequency of what you want, even if it's just for a single powerful day. I'm going to take you through what truly happens when you align your energy so completely that the universe can't help but respond. I'll also share a real-life story of someone who experienced a miracle using this exact challenge. And stay till the end, because I'll share how you can join my WhatsApp community for details about my healer certification course and my personalized or group healing sessions, all designed to help you release deep-rooted emotions and manifest abundance with ease. Let's dive in. The 24-hour manifestation challenge isn't about wishing or obsessing. It's about being what you want. For one day, you live as if your desire is already done. You wake up and decide, today I'm living in alignment with my dream reality. You breathe it, you speak it, you act from it. Most people fail because they're still thinking of their desire, which keeps it out of reach. The shift happens when you think from it. Ask yourself, if I already had it, how would I feel? How would I act today? That's the frequency the universe listens to. When you do this right, the first change you'll notice isn't in your reality. It's in you. You'll feel lighter, calmer, more grounded. The anxious, I need this energy dissolves, replaced by peaceful confidence. You begin to trust that everything is unfolding perfectly, and that's when the universe starts responding. One woman I worked with was completely stuck, emotionally and financially. She'd been trying to manifest for months, but nothing worked. I gave her this 24-hour challenge. No complaints, no fear, no self-doubt, just full alignment. She took it seriously. She dressed like her successful self, spoke words of gratitude all day, and every time doubt came up, she said, I release this fear. I trust. Within 18 hours, she received an unexpected payment from a client who had ghosted her for months. By the next morning, 2 new opportunities appeared. But the real miracle wasn't the money. It was how she felt. She realized she could choose that alignment anytime. That's the power of this challenge. For 24 hours, you give the universe a clear signal. This is my new normal. And the universe mirrors that back. But here's what most people miss. You can't fake energy. You can't say positive words while your subconscious still holds fear or unworthiness. That's why healing is the foundation of manifestation. If your inner child, your subconscious, still carries pain, it will keep pulling you back. If you've seen my previous video, your inner child controls your manifestations, not your mind. You know your subconscious creates 95% of your reality. So, if that inner child still feels unsafe or unloved, affirmations won't work because your vibration is still lack. During this 24-hour challenge, the goal is not fake positivity, it's emotional safety. You allow yourself to believe that abundance is safe. Every time fear comes up, that's your healing moment. Don't resist it. Breathe and repeat the Ho'oponopono prayer. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You're not fighting your old energy. You're loving it into transformation. As you do this, something changes deep within. Your nervous system relaxes. The fight or flight energy that blocks manifestations dissolves. You become magnetic because peace is the most powerful frequency there is. By midday, you'll start noticing signs. A song lyric that feels like a message, a call that uplifts you, or a small surprise that reminds you it's working. These are your confirmations. Acknowledge them because they strengthen your vibration. Every time you choose faith over fear, your brain rewires. You're training your subconscious to expect good things. You're creating a new identity that believes, I am worthy. I am supported. By evening, emotions might surface. Not because you're failing, but because energy is clearing. Let the tears flow. You're shedding an old version of yourself and making space for the real you, the one who trusts the process. Now imagine if you extended this alignment beyond 24 hours. What would life look like if you stayed in that flow every day? The truth is, you don't manifest what you want. You manifest who you are being consistently. This is where healing becomes essential. Many can stay aligned for a few hours, but subconscious wounds pull them back. That's why I created group and personalized healing sessions to help clear emotional blocks so you can stay in alignment effortlessly. Because once those wounds are healed, you don't have to try to manifest. It becomes natural. Inside my WhatsApp community, you'll find details about my healer certification course and my healing sessions. If you've been feeling stuck, this is your sign to take that step. Healing your emotions is the foundation for your manifestations to flow. Now, as your 24 hours end, notice how you feel. Maybe your outer reality hasn't shifted fully yet, but inside, you'll sense something powerful. Calm confidence. That's alignment. That's what attracts everything to you. The universe doesn't respond to desperation, it responds to certainty. Even if results don't show instantly, trust that the energy is already in motion. The universe rearranges everything perfectly when your vibration stays stable. Your only job is to keep believing. Once you do this challenge, you'll realize this isn't a one-time thing. It's a practice. Every morning, you can wake up and say, today, I'm living in my dream vibration. And every time you choose that energy, your reality begins to shift faster. So here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, live as if your dream life is already yours. Act from it. Feel from it. Speak from it. When doubts arise, breathe and repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You're not pretending. You're remembering your true power. And if you're ready to go deeper, join my WhatsApp community today. There, you'll find everything. From my healer certification course to group and one-on-one healing sessions designed to help you release emotional wounds and activate your manifesting power. Because when you heal, you stop chasing and start attracting with ease. Even one day of full alignment can shift years of struggle. The question is, are you ready to experience it? If you are, drop a comment below right now saying, I'm ready for my 24-hour miracle. Let's see how many souls are ready to take this challenge together. The universe is listening, and your 24 hours start now.